Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate one of the Selenium exception types that occur during automation, that is no such session exception. So let's get started. When does we get this exception? We get this exception when the browser session opened by Selenium is closed, and still when we try to run Selenium commands, then we'll get this exception. Now let me practically demonstrate this exception for you. For that, I'll open this Eclipse IDE where we have the sample Java project which is already configured with Selenium, and also here we have some sample Selenium automation code already written for opening the Chrome browser, for maximizing the browser, and for opening this application URL. Now here guys, the browser session has been opened by the Selenium. Now I'll close the browser session. So here using the any of the commands like close or quit, I can close the browser session that is opened by Selenium. And after the browser session is closed, if I try to perform or run any Selenium commands like a very simple command like get title. Okay, if you try to run the Selenium command after the browser session is closed by Selenium, at this line you are going to get no such session exception. Let me run this. It will open the Chrome browser, maximize the browser, it will open the application URL, and it will close the browser session. And after the browser session is closed, when it tries to run the Selenium command, that is driver.getTitle command, it will get that exception. You see, at the line 21, this line is resulting in no such session exception because already the browser session is closed here. Okay, already the browser session which is opened by Selenium is closed here, and you are trying to perform the Selenium commands after the browser session is closed. That's why here at the line 21 we got this exception, that is no such session exception. So hope guys you understood when does we get this no such session exception during Selenium automation. So that's it guys. Thank you. Bye.